Okay. 3, 2, 1.
We are here to talk about hospitals in ancient Greece. The first hospital was founded in 914 in Baghdad, and it was established by the Roman inventor and was headed by Christian physician Jibrail ibn Muqtishu. Jibrail ibn Muqtishu. I'm sorry for the bad pronunciation. In order to decide where to build the first hospital, they picked a few areas in Baghdad and they put pieces of meat, of pork, of pig, and left them there for one day in order to check the degree of decomposition. The next day, it was believed that the lesser the decomposition, the more clean the area was for building the hospital. Nowadays, our hospitals want to appear clean. However, our hygiene standards established by the World Health Organization are no longer maintained, and they develop more resistant strains of bacteria. Those are our bacteria. And they are very difficult to eradicate even with the best antibiotics. We have the antibiotics. And this